Hey everybody, this is Justin Link with the Realty Edge team and eXp Realty, and I'm excited to be out here in St. Charles, Minnesota to talk about this lovely 3-bedroom, 1-bath home at 579 East 13th Street. And what's great about this, it's a little over 1,000 square feet and it's the perfect size for any small family. So let's take a look. So walking into this great 3-bedroom home, you have hardwood floors all throughout, which is a great touch. Beautiful accent wall. And just a nice cozy space to spend the night, watch movies with the family. But let's check out this kitchen. What I love about this kitchen is the amount of natural light you have coming in. You got the 3 windows, whether you be checking in when people come home, and even a great view of your backyard to watch your dog play or watch your kids. Plenty of counter space for baking or whatever else you like to do. And then of course, you got your side entrance and then your stairs going down to your unfinished basement. So plenty of opportunity to do things down there and turn that into whatever you'd like to. But now let's go check out the bedrooms. The bathroom I think is really great because it has so much character. You got the tile on the ceiling, tile on the wall, just a beautiful bathroom. And then leading into our master bedroom, great natural light coming in, a nice cozy room, and of course the kids' bedroom, playroom with the hardwood floors, beautiful color walls. So let's go check out upstairs. Follow me. So the upstairs has a lot of great features. Number one, the ceiling's high enough so you're not hitting your head anywhere. You got the hardwood floors all throughout. And it's nice and open for any size bed. So you can come in here, know it's your own private area, and feel relaxed. So a really great space upstairs. So as you can see, a lot of great features in this home. From the nice big open sunlight coming into the kitchen, great view of the backyard, to the lovely master bedroom and hardwoods all throughout. It's a great home and a great price. So if you want to find out more, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you. So again, this is Justin Link with the Realty Edge team and eXp, and let's find out how we can make this home your home. We'll see you later.